Enjoy your breakfast meal with this delicious Western omelette packed with lots of tasty fillings. Learn how to make it with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. In a pan, add the olive oil and green bell pepper. Sauté for about 3 minutes until softened, then set it aside to cool. In a mixing bowl, add the eggs and beat, then add in the heavy cream, ham, red onion, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix to combine. Then, add the unsalted butter in a pan and melt. Pour in the egg mixture and sprinkle the sautéed bell peppers evenly. Cook for about a minute or until the edges begin to set. Flip to cook the other side using a spatula. Then, sprinkle the cheddar cheese on top and let it melt. Lift one side of the omelette, then transfer a slice to a plate and garnish it with chopped parsley. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.